I'm Edwin Namoro. I'm one of the oldest surfer here in the Philippines, in Baler. And my friend was working in Apocalypse film.
Raul Talentino. He was now living in California.
You want to surf, soldier?
Yes, sir.
That's good, son, because you either surf or fight. That's clear.
Too risky for R&R.
If I say it's safe to surf this beach, Captain,
Get away
it's
from
safe
the
to
tiger.
surf this beach. Hey, Lance, come here. Look.
And then one of the crew gave him a surfboard. And that's the beginning when we start surfing here in Baler.
My brother and Edwin were the first one who started surfing, and then me and my friends also, we joined them.
Teddy, Rodel, and Erwin. During in that time, just only we use one surfboard, and just only the countdown is if you get 5 waves, maximum of 5 waves, even you fall down, it's counted. So the other guy comes and to grab the boards and to wait for his turn, And then after maybe 1.5 years, some foreign guys comes, some foreign surfers, and then they gave us some older surfboards that we're gonna share it to each other.
My friend Edwin asked me to try for surfing, and I like.
We start surfing just only for fun, and then after many years, a lot of surfer comes here, foreign guys, and we got some techniques how to surf and some moves. Maybe in 1997, I'm working in a construction company. They have no company here, no neighborhood, it's too far, no electricity. And we got a lot of friends, surfers, stay here in my place. And then, sometimes it's very hard, I got 6 kids. So that's why I got that idea that maybe I build a surf camp for the benefits of my family, And my wife, she's the one who managed the surf camp. My wife, she's the first woman national champion.
That's me.
And I'm the one who's the first Filipina national champion for last 1997. My 2 daughters won in the competition here in La Union. Getting old, I just take a rest. It's only for free surf now. Surfers, they love natures, And look, it's if you surf, you got a peace of mind, no trouble.